Hi everybody, welcome to a PlanningPME Web Access scheduling solution. I will show you today how to create resources. So here is our schedule. I will double click at the resource John White. I will now apply a color to John, here the green color. I will save it and then I will save the resource card. We can see the green color is applied to John. I will now go to the menu Data, then choose Resource. I will press the button Add. I will here write down the following label, here Mary Lewis. I will also decide to apply a department to Mary, here the North Agency. I will now save the resource card and we can see the resource is here well created. I will now order the resource Mary Lewis in the second place. I will save it. And you will see that it already appears in the second place, but also in the current use of your schedule. I will now filter the department. Here, the North Agency will be chosen, and Mary appears here in the first place. I will now decide to apply the color of the resource Megan Cox to the resource Mary Lewis. I will copy, paste the style, and now Mary has the same color as Megan. Thank you a lot for your attention today and see you soon for new videos.